going on YouTube, man? It's your boy for chat with another banger, man. So today I'm about to get my dream car. Man, I've been gone so much because I've been grinding, bro. I just been grinding, making music, I mean all kind of stuff, bro. But the day is finally about to happen. I'm so excited. About to get my dream car. So right now I'm heading right now. I just test drove it. I couldn't really record that because but just test drove it. But I'm heading right now to the bank. Go get this money out. Man, I hope y'all ready for this, man. I hope y'all ready for this. I already know y'all seen it from the title, but let's get it. So y'all, I'm on the way home and it is raining like crazy. I'm on the way home right now. Look at that, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. It was raining last night, so I'm gonna give y'all a little look around of the car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all a whole full look around of the hood. This shit's very low, man. This shit's lower than what I thought it did. I'm about to show y'all right quick. Oh Lord, y'all can see right here. I'm gonna give y'all a full look right here. So the Z51. That's what I got. We got the Z51. It's dirty right now. It was raining last night, so that's why I ain't gonna lie, that's why I look like this. But yeah, man, this mug is clean. Like I said, it's real dirty right now. It's got a little pipe to it too, no cap. It's got a little pipe, but I'm gonna say the inside. The inside was my favorite. The inside was my favorite, not gonna lie. Look at that. Look at that inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. The inside go crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I love this inside. Then I got a little subwoofer back there. A little subwoofer came with it. Top comes off. That comes off too. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do to it yet, to be real. I know a lot of y'all been asking. Yes, I still have my truck. A lot of people don't, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people ask me, it's like, bro, you out the truck game? Nah, I'm not out of the truck game. Not out the truck game. I'm not out the truck game. I just want it. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just wanted a car. So no cap, I had to get this one. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. Everybody's getting scat packs, bro. Everybody's getting scat packs. No cap. I'm gonna let y'all. I ain't the type of guy. I don't really like revving up my cars, but I'm gonna just let y'all hear a little bit of it. This motor is clean though. Oh Lord. They left that in here. The car's dirty. I gotta wash it. Ooh, what's up? Oh, this right here has got the well, every car got the OnStar. What I really like though, I love that right there, y'all. Look at that. I love that. I don't know what you call it, but I love that. Oh my God, I love that. I love that. No cap. But yeah, man. Then it's got the mode selectors right here. I don't really know how to use none of this shit like that yet, but I guess we can try. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know how to do it. Oh, okay. Weather. It's got weather mode, eco mode, then that's the gas saver mode. Tour, don't know what that means. Sport mode, track mode, and that's it. But honestly, I think I'm gonna just go with eco mode. I need that weather. If I known that last night, I would use the eco mode. But yes, sir. I'm gonna check out for a little ride though. Check out for a little ride. Like I said, I couldn't really record last night. I think honestly I'm about to start doing car content. Yeah, that's the goal for right now. Oh Lord, I got the back out of here. I'm not gonna lie, the blind spot though, one thing I can say about this car, blind spot sucks. Blind spot do sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It sucks, man. I do give it that. It does suck that. I'm just gonna pull in here and back out. That does suck. And it looks wide in the front. Like, it looks wide when you're driving in the front. That's another thing. I don't know if I should put 87 or 93 in this car. Honestly, I don't know. I should put 97 or 83 in this car. For real. To be honest with you. Oh Lord, I can't even back. Y'all, I can't even back this mug up, bro. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna lie, it's new, so I don't want to hit nothing. Like in my truck, I can hit the trash can in that. You know what I'm saying? I hit the trash can in that, but this right here, no sir, not doing it. No sir. Yeah, I can make this turn. Yes sir. Let's go. Oh Lord. A lot of power in this mug. But I ain't gonna lie though, I ain't really a power guy, so put my seatbelt on. Safety first. Safety's gotta be first. Safety's gotta be first, no cap. I'm gonna show how wide it looks though in the front when you're driving. I'm about to show y'all right quick. Look how wide it looks in the, like the hood. Y'all see what I'm saying though? Y'all see what I'm saying though? Look at that. Y'all, the gas prices is crazy. I'm about to show y'all the gas prices right fast. These gas prices are crazy. Look at the gas price, and I gotta put some gas in this thing. Look at the gas price over there. That is crazy. I wonder who city, hey, is y'all gas prices 409 where y'all at? Cause good Lord. It's crazy where I'm at. Sheesh. And I gotta put some gas in. This time I'm putting 93 in there though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm putting 93 in there this time. Now come on, bro. That's how you get rear-ended. Oh Lord, I hope I don't scrape. Oh my God. Man, got him looking, huh? Hey. I'm putting 93 in this mode. Last time I put that 87 in there. How Josh Laurent be doing it, y'all? How they do it, y'all? They do it like this. This is how the car guys be doing it. Hey, I'm over the car YouTubers now. That's Oh yeah, man, this gas crazy. $4.69, bro. Almost $5 worth of gas. Almost $5 a gallon. Tell me that's not crazy. Tell me that's not crazy though. Almost $5 a gallon. They tripping out here, bro. They tripping out here, bro. For real. Dude staring at me. All right, y'all seen the wheel, all that. I'm gonna give y'all some better videos. That was just like something I had to put together. But yeah, I got more videos on the way. About to take the wheel to get something else done. Get the windows done next. But hey man, got a quick little vlog for y'all. Hope y'all like the video, man. And more music is on the way, so what's going on. Track out.